Hello guys, I'm Navidullah Khan and welcome to the next tutorial. If you look at my earning on AdMob from my apps, so my this app YouTube thumbnail is performing well. This is my last 7 days earning. If you look at it, it has earned $2.15 and all-in-one status server it has earned $0.05. So and these two apps has not made any money yet, so I want all these three apps to make some money on regular basis each day, right? uh, because these apps are currently not making enough money, and these two apps are even not making a single penny, right? So I want these apps to make money on daily basis. For that, I will promote these apps. I will run Google advertisement for these apps so that I get many installs, and those user will visit it on daily basis. Or if I get reviews from those visitors, so I may get downloads on daily basis from Play Store, right? So I will not promote this app YouTube thumbnail. I have already recorded a tutorial on promotion of all-in-one status saver. Now I will record video for this app promotion, logo business card maker and photo in motion maker. And I also want to target United States for the all-in-one status saver, right? Because I have targeted only Pakistan and India. Now I want to target United States for this app, and I will look at the performance, whether I am making more money or not. So let's start this. For this, already I have explained in previous tutorials that how you have to create a Google Ads account. So search in Google Ads, right? And this is the ads.google.com. This is a website link. Click on this and log into your account. So I already have account. I will visit it. Now I am on the home screen of Google Ads page. So click on campaigns from left sidebar and you will be on this page. Currently you can see I have selected all enable, right? So by default all is selected, but I have selected all enabled. I want to see only all those ads which is enabled, right? Here is the enable and here is a pause button. So I want to first of all I want to start ad for advanced logo maker, this app, because this is really professional app and I want to promote this app. So for that I will click on this option, plus option, and click on new campaign, and then I will see some options. Here you can see app promotion is an option that I will select. So click on app promotion, and from here select a campaign subtype. So I want to get installs on my app, right? So it is an Android app, and here look up your app. Here they want to put me my package name of app. So for getting package name, you have to click on you have to open your app inside Google Play Console. So I will click on this app, and here is an option view on Google Play. So click this option. It will bring you to this page, and from here inside a link, there is a option. From here you can see com.holysoft.card logo maker, etc. This is my package name. So I will copy this by Ctrl C and I will paste it here inside my Google Ads. Here you can see advanced logo maker, make logos and business card, and here you can see my name, Navidullah Khan. So I will select this app and I will continue. Next, I will give name to my campaign, uh, logo maker app promotion Pakistan India targeted, uh, 10 pkr per install. So this is really useful information which you have to put. From here select enter another location, and from here we need to add, if we need to add Pakistan, yes, and India country. Right now go to, from here locate option, people in or regularly in your targeted location. So uh, because this option is recommended, so I will not change anything. And from here English is selected, but I want to select all languages, so I remove the English language. Enter average you want to spend each day. I want to spend up to up to $6 every day. I want install volume, select this option. I want to target all users, set a target cost per install. I want Google to charge me only 10 pkr, not more than that, for each install they provide me. You can see no end date is selected because I want to this ad to run for lifetime. I never want to end this ad. So let's see, click on advanced setting. From here I don't have to take any action, so click on save and continue. So from here I have to provide assets, logo maker, professional logo maker, professional business card maker, free logo maker, and here I will put 3D logo maker and poster designer. I think this is not a good one, so free business card maker. It is done. Next I have to put up to 5 descriptions, and for that here you can see the preview. People will see ads like this. They will click on install button and they will install my app. So from here I will put let's copy this stuff from my description. Let's copy some of these points and paste it here. So this is not a good one. Our Our app contains facility of creating a professional logo, business card and poster. Our app has thousands of ready-made logos, both in 2D and 3D designs, and our app logo maker, our app will enable you to make a business level commercial business cards and posters. I think these are enough, so I don't want to add anything else. Now click on save and continue. So you can see here the summary of this ad. Now click on continue to campaign. Here is the click on this option, all campaign, and from here you can see this ad is running now.